everybody, it's Michelle, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a quick little breakfast that you can put together very easily, and it can be handheld on the go in our wraps here. You've probably seen online the tortilla hack or the tortilla fold that's kind of going viral right now. I thought I would do an egg and avocado take on that in the healthiest, greenest version that I could come up with. So I'm going to do a green goddess breakfast flip. Like I said, I'm going to have egg and avocado, and I'm going to have some baby Swiss. On my egg, I'm also going to add some spinach just to green it up a little more. I love to sneak in spinach wherever I possibly can to add great color and great nutrition. I just love adding in spinach, and it goes along with our green goddess theme. And also green, we've got our spinach and herb extreme wellness wraps, and these are so good for you and so healthy. I eat them all the time. It's my favorite new alternative to sandwiches. They're made with 100% whole wheat and flaxseed. Flaxseed is great. They are carb lean, only 4 grams net carbs per serving, 11 grams of dietary fiber, and they're only 50 calories a piece. And 50 calories is amazing. You can have a sandwich wrap with this. And if you were having regular bread, 2 slices to make a sandwich is going to be anywhere from 120 to 140 calories normally. And even some of the lower calorie bread options I've found for the sliced bread was the 35 calorie bread. So 2 slices of that is even 70 calories, and that gets you higher than this. So 50 calories is the best that I've found that I can do a sandwich wrap. And I think that's amazing. It is made with extra virgin olive oil, 0 grams trans fat, no added sugar, no hydrogenated oils. These are so good for you, and I just love them. I'm also using extra virgin olive oil as my cooking spray. And for a little more green, I'm going to put some of the greener goddess power dressing. I'll probably add that in with maybe my cheese layer. So let's go ahead and get over to the stove, and I'll show you guys how to put this together. It's so quick and easy. Okay, so I've got my egg started in the pan. I sprayed it with some of that extra virgin olive oil spray, and I've got it on about medium-low. I'm doing over hard fried eggs, but you can do them any way you like. If you prefer scrambled, that's going to be even easier for you to get that spinach in with the egg layer. You can just go ahead and mix it right in, but I really like the over hard these days. I'm going to add some pink Himalayan salt, a little bit of black pepper. I'm going to get my torn spinach on there while that egg is still liquid enough that it's going to stick. And that is ready to go inside of our flip. I'm going to go ahead and turn my heat down some more. I'm going to turn it all the way on low. I don't want much heat for the next step. So I'm going to add my tortilla into the pan. And then I'm just going to take the edge of my spatula and I'm going to cut from one side to the middle. And that's going to be how we're able to create our flip fold. I'm going to go ahead and put my egg in there. If you did this in the full circle where you could cut that into 4 wedges, you're going to get that triangle shape a lot better, which is kind of important to get your fold right. And I'm just using about a half of one of my baby Swiss slices, and get that in there the best you can so that it kind of just fits a quadrant also. I do think it's kind of important to have the cheese on this quadrant because that's going to be the last one as we flip it around. So once that cheese is melted, it's going to kind of glue it together for us. And I'm just going to put a few slices of avocado on there. Actually, I forgot. I wanted to put this here on the second quadrant. When you flip this to here, whatever's on these two sides are going to be against each other without a layer of tortilla in between anyway. So I'm just doing my ingredients in 3 sections. That way I could go ahead and incorporate the spinach into the egg because it would have been in the same layer anyway. And then you just flip and fold. And I actually forgot my green goddess dressing. I'm going to try to see if that's still liquidy in that cheese layer. Just get a little bit in there. Just a drizzle, probably not even a 1/4 teaspoon. And that's going to be plenty for your flip. So that's my green goddess breakfast flip. I kept the ingredients very simple. I just went green wherever I could and got as much healthy green nutrition in there as I could think of, but still kept it a simple egg and avocado sort of breakfast sandwich. I think these are super quick and easy, and I think you guys are going to love them. And be sure to check in your grocery store for those wraps. I'll try to find a link and put it down below if I can. But I just love those wraps. You guys have got to check them out. They're so good and so low in calories and so healthy for you. So be sure to leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. If you give this a try, be sure to leave me a comment and let me know if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my Healthie YouTube channel. Give me a like over on my Facebook page. And be sure to join our Facebook group, Healthy Minds and Bodies. Also follow me on Pinterest and Instagram. And don't forget to visit my blog. I'll have those all listed in the description below, so be sure and check them out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.